Hi guys, today I wanted to talk about something I use since I use my iPhone as a webcam. I was looking for a phone holder, a smartphone holder, and I found one which is very cool compared to all the rest I have tried. This one is the Iron Man 3, they call it. And just to show you, it's this one. So I have two. So one is already mounted, and it's thanks to this device I'm recording it. I can record it. So what I wanted to show you is how it is made, because probably you would like to record things, and yeah, there's not much in the box. If you're looking for something very reliable and well made, I think this one is pretty nice. Unfortunately, it's a bit expensive. If I remember, I will put it in the description, but I think it's around 38 euros, something like that. I remember I had a voucher or 10% discount via Amazon. So basically, it's a phone holder. And the good thing is you can put very wide phones. So right now I use the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I have also the case around it. So it's the Otterbox Defender. So you can imagine the Otterbox Defender, it's a very thick case, and plus the iPhone, which is pretty wide. So yeah. The cool thing is with this one, and what I like, is you can make it pretty wide, and then you can adjust here just like that. So there's a horseshoe mount here. It's made of metal. It's well made, just in case if I didn't say it or I haven't said it already. And what I like is, so I have another phone for the demo, so you can make some adjustments. So here probably it's a bit too wide for it, so okay, let's make some adjustment. Okay, should be good. So you put your phone, okay, here it's a Huawei, I don't remember, Pro Mate, no, it's a Mate 10 Pro. So I can fine tune here the adjustment. Okay, now and here you have the wheel. So for example, if I want to make it like that, it will stay like that. So it's very reliable, this one. And one cool thing is, as you can imagine, if you want to make a picture like this, it won't stand. And they added this, so I'm not sure if you see it, they added this tiny feature with a magnet. So here you have a magnet, here you have a magnet, so it's so you do not lose it, and then it will hold. So you can put it, for example, on the table, you can take pictures, or you can for example, if you want to do some slow motion or time lapse or whatever, and you just install it like that, and with this tiny add-on, and it's and when you stop, you don't need it anymore. You just put it back, and then it's back. Okay, probably you don't see anything, but yeah. And so yeah, and also here you have I think it's called quarter inch. And where's my yes, I can show you. It's on the Manfrotto. So it's a mini tripod, and it's going to work. I mean, you can just install it, and up. Okay, and then you have a maybe I should have reduced it a bit, and I can take, we'll put it back. Maybe I should screw a bit more. Okay, and then I can make pictures, and it's going to be stable here. If I want here, okay, maybe I should really put it Okay, so I unscrew a bit. Ah, yes, I forgot. I should lock it. It's written here, probably. You can see lock, unlock. Yeah, when you make a demo, you should probably have a look at this. Here it says the minimum it's 2.5 inches to 3.7 inches. In centimeters, I have no idea. I will put it in the description. I can tell you it works for all the phones I have. Well, I think only the Pro Max, 11 Pro Max is really wide. The rest is, this is probably the second one I have. And okay, and then when you're done, up, and it will stay like that. It's very, very stable. And you can see up, it's not going to move. And I think it's a really cool one. It's, of course, 3 times the price of some other phone holders, but I think it's worth it, especially it's made of metal, so I don't know which kind of alloy it is. Maybe it's aluminum or something like that. I have no idea. Yeah, it's really cool, and it's working pretty well. Yeah, the only drawback, as I said, it's the price, but I think once you buy one, you won't buy any other one after, unless you're like me and you need 2, and then well, I need one here and one here to use on the tiny tripod. But yeah, it's a cool device. So yeah, if you want, so maybe I can show you. It's the ST14 from Ulanzi, if I remember the brand. Yes, Ulanzi. And yeah, you can, well, there's not much description. This is, yeah, there's not much in the documentation. No documentation, nothing on the box. And yeah, I think it's a cool device. I don't know this brand, so I think I have to check. I know they have a second model also you can fold, which was also interesting, but I decided to try this model, and it was so cool that I bought a second one. And yeah, probably they have other cool stuff on their on Amazon, on their merchant website, but or on their website, of course, but I have no idea. I didn't check. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is the kind of thing I can recommend. Small gadget, but pretty useful. And thanks to this, I can make videos with my iPhone, and it's stable also. That's it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.